Wavemaker, we talk about ourselves as being future makers, and really, at the end of the day, future makers is really just a representation of our broader strategy, which is to help build brands that inspire society, that pioneer the industry, and really help move consumers to action or move them to purchase. So, future makers is really in some ways the headline or the tagline for our broader strategy around, again, building brands that pioneer the industry and help move consumers to action or purchase.
So what does pioneering mean, and how does that kind of happen with brands? Is it natural? Is it something that you sort of advise them about? What's that process?
I mean, for us, pioneering, I mean, if you think about it, future makers is a bold statement. I mean, it's us saying to clients that we're going to help you and your brands make the future. And so it's a bold promise, and one that we believe that is provocative and that we think is needed actually in today's society. And for us, what it really means is it's about bringing bold, transformative ideas to clients that can help their brands break through the clutter, be relevant, create deeper relationships with their consumers. But for us, going back to the idea of, what does it really mean? It's really, for us, it entails really coming up with creative, innovative, transformative ideas and packaging those ideas up into compelling stories that our clients kind of buy into, and that ultimately we then translate into, different consumer communications and experiences.
And how does data fit into all that, particularly with the M platform?
Yeah, I mean, it's vital. I mean, data is increasingly a huge asset, not only for us, but for competitors, but for our clients as well. And so we're investing in things like M platform as a source of advantage for us to better understand better understand consumers at an individual level and find them and make sure that the investments that we're making to promote our clients' brands are actually being spent in the most effective way possible.
And finally, when you look at sort of the future of the agency, the future of the media agency, your work looking out 12, 18 months, what do you hope to accomplish?
Yeah, I mean, for me and my role as Global Chief Client Officer, for us to be successful in recognizing our strategy, which will probably take more than 12 to 18 months, it's a journey for us, much like the journeys that our clients are on. I mean, we have to evolve as an agency, and for me that entails a few different things. I mean, I would say there's probably 4 or 5 things. One is, I mean, we have to evolve to be much more proactive consultants to our clients, and we have to, rather than responding to briefs and reacting to questions that our clients have, we have to go to clients with strong recommendations and points of view around how they can build the strategy for the future, and what's that roadmap look like, as opposed to waiting for them to ask us questions. We have all the insight, we have all the knowledge across our Wavemaker, whether it be the broader PP network, and I think we have to find ways to go to clients with strong points of view around that. I would say another one is really we have to evolve our talent base, and to be successful today, client leaders and client leadership more broadly requires a much broader understanding of marketing and the emerging aspects of marketing. So yes, you have to be strong in the fundamentals of branding and traditional media, but increasingly to be effective client leaders, we need to be much stronger in e-commerce, social, SEO, performance marketing. So it's a much broader set of things that our client leaders have to be, I would say, fluent in to be effective. And then related, I would say, it requires us orchestrating talent in the right way. So whether it be inside the Wavemaker organization or across the broader WPP network, we have to piece together the right set of talent to solve our clients' challenges and create strategies that will help them win in the organization. So it's not enough anymore to get a couple people in the room. It's about how do you pull together the right set of people and skills and capabilities to solve this expanded set of challenges. And then I'd say, lastly, we have to be great storytellers. I mean, we talk about that a lot at Wavemaker, and as we come up with these ideas, we've got to be really good at telling a compelling story of why our ideas or our strategies are the right ones to help brands win, and then ultimately translating those into really compelling consumer communications or consumer experiences.